Y'all done seen the thumbnail now. I'll show y'all how I got that look with the Huda Beauty Desert Palette. I'm starting off with Blazing. This is a nice crisp orange shade. I will be applying that with my blending brush as my transition shade. The shade next to it is called Saffron. I'm going to take that and blend that in with my transition shade, y'all. I'll be taking the shade called OUD. It's a darker burnt red. I'll be applying that to the corners of my eyes, blending that into the crease. I'm taking my blending brush and blending out everything I have on so far. It is time to bring out Nefertiti. This pretty gold shimmery shade will be going on my lid. I'll be patting that down and building as I go. Just being a little extra in this part, you certainly do not need to, but I'm going in with my Lime Crime palette and applying this shade Beam into the inner part of my lid just for a little extra shimmer, and it blends out so beautifully with the gold, I think. Priming with the Professional Benefit Primer, and I'm going back to apply the shade OUD on my lower lash line. This here is my go-to foundation, the Extraordinary Siete Shade in Pecan. Applying 2 pumps on that on my beauty blender, and I'm gonna blend, y'all. Blend that shit out. Don't mind the marks on my hand. That was me trying to test out my damn eyeliners. This body balm in the shade Dark, I will be applying a little bit over top of my foundation. And now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the NYX Bear With Me in the shade Tan. I'm just going to be blending all that out. Dose of colors from a bronzer in the shade Deep. This is the Bakery Beauty Flower Powder, and this is the shade Yellow. And I'm going to start sculpting this nose here with the same concealers and bronzers I used for my face, and then blending everything out. Going back in, setting with my powder bronzer. And setting powder for the concealer on my nose. And then I'm going to blend everything on out. The Milani blush in the shade Red Vino is my all-time favorite blush on the apples of my cheeks. And I'll be using the shade Royal for my tear ducts area. Huda Beauty's lipstick in the shade Spice Girl, and topping it off with NYX lip gloss. That is Siete setting spray I'm drowning myself in. Alright y'all, this is it. I sure hope y'all enjoy watching this video. All the products will be listed down below. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.